How to sell products on Instagram. So if you want to sell products on Instagram, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need to simply open up your Instagram. Now go with the profile and make sure that your account is business account. Make sure that you have a professional dashboard, and after that you need to go with the plus icon, which is on the bottom middle, and select the product. After selecting the product, you need to go with next, which is on the bottom right, and here you will have an option of add product details. So in my case, or in some regions, it's not available yet, but if it's available, you'll have an option of add product details. You just need simply go with caption, hashtags, and make sure that you've selected post option, and from here select the product, go with next, again go with next, add some caption, and then if you want to tag some people, you can go and tag people, add location, add music, and then audience, and you can also have more options, and under more options you may have add product details. So tap on add product details, and here you can add the product title and the product price with the currency. After that, go with done, and once you've done adding details about your product, you can post it, and after posting, if the other person taps on it, then they will be able to buy that product. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.